Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about acidic properties of hydrogen halide. Acidic properties of hydrogen halide. The hydrogen halides are extremely soluble in water due to the ionization. Hydrogen halides examples are hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide are extremely soluble in water due to the ionization. HX when dissolved in water undergo ionization gives H3O plus ion, hydronium ion plus halide ion. X, a halogen, X may be fluoride, chloride, bromide or iodide. Solutions of hydrogen halide are therefore acidic and known as hydrohalic acid. So in the solution form, the hydrogen halides are known as hydrohalic acid, hydrofluoric acid, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid and hydroiodic acid. Hydrochloric, hydrobromic and hydroiodic acids are almost completely ionized. Therefore, they are called as strong acid. But HF only undergo partial ionization. Therefore, it is a weak acid. That is, 0.1 molar solution is only 10% ionized. But in 5 molar and 15 molar solution, HF is stronger acid due to the equilibrium. What is the equilibrium? HF, when dissolved in water, as like the other halogen, it dissolved other hydrogen halide, it dissolved in water, form hydronium ion and halide ion. But the halide ion, fluoride ion formed in this reaction again combine with the HF and form HF2 minus. Two types of salt are formed in hydrogen, in fluoride. One is fluoride, another one is hydrogen fluoride. At high concentration, the equilibrium involves the removal of fluoride ions is important. At high concentration, that is 10 molar and 15 molar, the equilibrium involves removal of fluoride ion is very most important. Since it affects the dissociation of hydrogen fluoride and increases the hydrogen ion concentration, several stable salts, sodium hydrogen fluoride, potassium hydrogen fluoride, ammonium hydrogen fluoride are known. The other hydrogen halides do not form hydrogen dihalide, HCF2, there is no HCl2 minus, HBr2 minus and HI2 minus. Hydrohalic acid shows typical acidic properties. They form salt with acids, bases and react with metals to give hydrogen. Acidic properties of hydrogen halide. We know hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide are gases and also these are strong acid. These three are strong acid. HF, hydrogen fluoride due to the formation of hydrogen bond. When dissolved in water, it forms hydrogen bond. Due to the formation of hydrogen bond, hydrogen fluoride or hydrofluoric acid is a weak acid. Weak acid. Because of the formation of hydrogen bond, its boiling point and melting point are also high. So hydrogen bond formation is the reason for its weak acid, and also they are having high boiling point and high melting point. When hydrogen halide is dissolved in water, they undergo ionization. The H plus ion of hydrogen chloride is added to oxygen atoms of water molecule. These positive ions moves towards oxygen. Oxygen donate a pair of electron, thereby form H3O plus ion and X minus halide ion. We know what is H3O plus. H3O plus is called hydronium ion. Hydronium ion, H3O plus. Due to the formation of H3O plus ion in solution in water, hydrogen halides are acidic in nature. What is X here? X may be fluoride, F minus, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. Fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide. But how hydrofluoric acid undergo ionization when dissolved in water? Here all these acids undergo complete ionization, therefore except hydrofluoric acid, all other acids are strong acid. But how HF undergo ionization? When HF, hydrofluoric acid, is dissolved in water, what happens? First, the similar reactions takes place as before. H plus F minus, H plus ion moves towards oxygen. Oxygen donate a pair of electron, but the equilibrium is attained, or equilibrium is exist between the hydronium ion and halide ion. Because of this equilibrium reaction, the F minus formed in the first step again undergo reaction with hydrogen fluoride and form one more equilibrium reaction, hydrogen difluoride minus. So this is called hydrogen difluoride ion. Hydrogen difluoride ion is formed. Hydrogen difluoride ion is formed. So at a lower concentration, what happens? Concentration 0.1 solution means 110% ionization of HF takes place. If the concentration increases 5 molar, 15 molar, HF becomes a strong acid. So at a lower concentration, the point conclusion, important points are at lower concentration, lower concentration, about 5 molar concentration. Lower concentration means 0.1 molar concentration. Only how much percentage? 10% of the molecule undergo ionization. 10% of the molecule undergo ionization. At a higher concentration, what happens at a higher concentration? Higher concentration means how much? Concentration is 5% or 10%. 5 molar or 10 molar or 15 molar hydrofluoric acid behaves as a stronger acid. Actually, it is a weaker acid, but at higher concentration, it acts as a strong acid because due to the equilibrium. What happens? At a higher concentration, the equilibrium involves the removal of fluoride ion. At higher concentration, the equilibrium involves removal of fluoride ion. Therefore, reverse reaction is not possible. Only forward reaction takes place. Complete ionization takes place. More and more amount of HF are converted into F minus and hydronium ion. Therefore, at higher concentration, HF behaves as a strong acid. At lower concentration, 10% ionization takes place, equilibrium exists. But at a higher concentration, removal of F minus takes place. According to Le-Chatelet principle, removal of F minus leads to the formation of forward reaction. Therefore, equilibrium is not possible at higher concentration. HF acts as a strong acid. HF acts as a strong acid, higher concentration. Due to this equilibrium reaction, only fluorine form 2 types of salt. If a metal combine with the F minus, it form sodium fluoride or potassium fluoride. If a metal combine with the hydrogen difluoride, they form sodium hydrogen difluoride, potassium hydrogen difluoride. What is ion combined here? Hydrogen difluoride or ammonium NH4 plus hydrogen difluoride. Only fluorine form 2 types of salt. One is halide, another one is hydrogen difluoride. Other halogens. What are the other halogen? Chloride, bromide, fluoride, they don't form hydrogen dihalide. Only fluoride form due to this equilibrium reaction, but in other halide, they undergo complete ionization. Only fluorine undergo partial ionization. This is the acidic properties of hydrogen halide. Due to the ionization, acidic properties arises. And also remember that if you are not still subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.